Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Hikari lip gloss in Merlot, and it is 0.16 ounces. It's a Merlot that is an intense red mauve shade. It features high shine with a matte finish, and it's highly pigmented, long lasting. You can wear alone or you can wear it over your favorite lipstick for some shine. So the full size is 0.16 ounces or 4.5 grams boxed, and so it comes in a little box, and I've been using it. This is what the color looks like. Really pretty red and nice shine to it. It's highly pigmented. I'll try and wipe it off for you a little bit so you can kind of see if you wipe it, it still stays on pretty well. So you won't have to apply it throughout the day as much, maybe after eating or drinking, but it smells really good. It smells kind of fruity. And let's see, I don't know where this is made. Let me see. It is made in China, but it looks like it's distributed by Jonesboro in Arkansas. It's really great. It's mineral oil and a lot of ingredients that I don't know. There are parabens in it. But, and then just a bunch of colors. So this is a really great lip gloss that I've added to my beauty collection. The smell really, I can't stop smelling my hand. It's like fruity and just, it smells good, and it's nice to have a nice smelling lipstick, especially when you're talking to someone and you're in their face. It's nice. And also sometimes, I haven't tasted it, but it might taste good, because usually fruity smelling lip glosses can taste good. I'd have to try and keep myself from eating those chapsticks that have different flavors when I was a kid. So yeah, the Hikari lip gloss Merlot, I enjoy it. My husband really likes it on me. It looks really pretty. Looks good on the skin. I mean, just looking at it as a sample, and I've even spread it out so it's not even at its full strength. It's a great color and pretty affordable, and something to add to your lipstick collection, because what girl can have, you can't have too many lipsticks. You never can. It's always fun to have lipsticks. So I highly recommended the Hikari lip gloss in Merlot. Great smell, long lasting, and really good pigment. So, and it's a good color too. It's got a nice amount of blue in it, not so much yellow. A lot of reds tend to have orange colors in them that can not really jive with your skin tone. For me, I like to keep it in the red with an undertone of blue, and this is one of those colors that has that. So yeah, like my other favorite colors are MAC Russian Red, Ruby Woo. Those are two other ones that are a nice red lipstick that have a blue undertone to them. So yeah, I really enjoy this. I think it's a good product to add to your lipstick collection, and I'm just trying to think of what else I can say about it. Like, it just smells so good. I love it, and the pigment is really beautiful. It says it sets matte, but it doesn't really set matte, because it has a shimmer and a sheen to it still, so I don't know if it's exactly a matte color. It's more of a lip glossy color. So don't take my word for it. Try it out yourself. It's worth the price. And thanks so much for watching. And try the Hikari Merlot lip gloss And you won't be disappointed with the smell, and you won't be disappointed with quality of the lip gloss or the pigmentation. Thanks so much for watching!